A picturesque scenery of snow-capped mountains and frozen waterfalls in the Yuntai Mountain Geological Park in central China's Henan province is captivating hordes of tourists as they savor the beauty of the landscape. Cornel Peak, the Yuntai Mountain's highest peak that stands at about 1,300 meters above sea level, is one of the scenic spots where snow falls the earliest in winter every year. The stupendous Cornel Peak is now covered with snow, offering tourists magnificent views. As temperatures plunge, waterfalls stretching as long as 2 kilometers have frozen in canyons of the Yuntai Mountain, offering a spectacular scenery against the backdrop of the snow-covered cliff. The breathtaking snow landscape has become a sought-after destination for tourists seeking to enjoy the winter beauty.